Hi, we are Team AllSense and we have proposed an algae growth rate monitoring system. First, why would you care about algae, much less about monitoring it? Well, algae cultivation has two major applications: wastewater treatment and biofuel production. We can now approach the question, why monitor algae? To answer this, we can look at two extremes of growth rate and their subsequent effects. If the growth rate of algae is suboptimal, it could result in lower yields. On the other hand, a very high growth rate could result in a phenomenon known as algal bloom. Our proposed application is centered around the critical measurements for algal growth, namely oxygen, CO2, nitrate, temperature, and pH. These can be monitored using this sensor probe cluster, which is placed in the water body. The sensor backpack houses the microcontroller, the Wi-Fi shield, and the battery powering the system. The data is uploaded to the cloud. From the cloud, the user can download the data onto their device of choice. This is a schematic of the complete system. The sensor cluster and the sensor backpack are mounted on the tanks with the probe submerged. To account for local irregularities, multiple such systems are placed in the tank. At the top of the tank, there is a lux sensor which measures the intensity of the incident sunlight. The first data stream represents high sampling rate data, while the second represents the slower sampling rate data. As the algae growth rate is in the magnitude of hours, both data streams are filtered using a moving mean filter in the microcontroller, with window sizes chosen based on their response time and their importance with respect to algae growth. Further processing of this data is done on the cloud or as desired by the user. The data is presented to the user through an app. A big centrally located number gives the overall quality of the growth media. Below this, each parameter is expressed as its deviation from the optimum value. In the Suggestions tab, the app gives suggestions to the user that can increase the quality of the growth media further. Changes that need to be made urgently are shown in orange. That was an overview of our project AllSense. Thank you for watching.